Hi, today I'll show you how to watch HD anime for free on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch and any other Android phone. So first thing you have to do is go to your browser, then you have to type in Kiss Anime Mobile, then you click on the first website, then you choose the most popular if you want. On this website there's thousands of animes you can watch and choose. As you can see, there's the most popular animes like One Piece, Hunter x Hunter, Naruto, Fairy Tail, Bleach, Attack on Titan. And so for this example I'll show you Naruto. So here's the latest episodes. As you can see, there's different qualities. You can choose 1080p, 720p and just the regular one, but you have to choose the MP4 to work on your phone. For this example I'll show you 720p. As you can see, the quality is very good, and yeah, so if you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe. Thanks.